Let's have a look at question 4. In this differential equation, you have a first order differential equation. The dependent variable is theta and the independent variable is t. If you cover up your derivative and you look at the rest of the equation, you'll see you've got a mixture of your independent and your dependent, which means it is not direct integration. You have 1, 2, 3 terms, and there's no way that you can change those into 2. So this is not a separable differential equation either. If you look at where your dependent variable is, it occurs in only one place in the equation, and it is to the power 1, which means your dependent variable is linear, which means that this is a linear differential equation. So again, the first thing you want to do is get this into standard form. And you remember, let's just put this down again. Your standard form looks like this, is equal to Q. So the derivative has to stand on its own, which means you do not want to have the sine t in front of the derivative. So we divide through by sine t. And we get d theta t, theta times cos t over sine t, minus, this is going to simplify to 1 over cos t equals to 0. Right? Then your next term in your standard form is where your dependent variable is linear, and you've already got that over here. Now this fraction, you can change this into cot theta, cot t if you want to, but I'm going to leave it like this because it makes it easier for my integration later on. But depending on what you do here, your answer might look different, but you can convert. If it is different, you can probably convert your answer into to look the same as mine. So we have that. I'm going to keep that. All right. And then we're going to move this term to your right-hand side, because there you only have your independent variable in it, which is what Q is in your standard form. So that is going to be 1 over cos t. So that's in standard form. Now we need to find our integrating factor. So f is e to the integral of cos t over sine t dt, and that is going to be natural log of sine t, which is the same as sine t. We substitute into theta f integral of f times 1 over cos t, right? So we'll have, that's going to be sine t over cos t dt, and the integral of that is going to be, it's minus ln cos t plus a constant value. Right? Now, your answer can also look like this, which is cos t to the minus 1, which means it's just the reciprocal of that, which is the same as sec t plus c. Right? So either one of these answers, they're the same thing. The form is just different. And that is the general solution for the differential equation.